welcome to Ludo la Maison. Aujourd'hui, we're going to do some hazelnut almond meringue. I love hazelnut, I love praline, I love everything hazelnut. I'm obsessed with hazelnut. Oh, meringue, famous meringue. I hate doing meringue, it's pain in the ass. Crispy, moist, it's just so good. To do a good meringue, you need to cook it for 6 hours at low temperature. Yes, very good meringue take a long time to do. But sometimes we do quick meringue. It's a little bit Italian. We call it a brutti ma bruni. I don't want the Italian to be pissed off with me. He means ugly, but good. And I agree. From its memory when I was a child, after school, you know, in France, it's very important to get a little snack. In my time, it was like 25 years ago already. I was eating sometime for my goûter, whose goûter is like the snack for the kids. It's every day after school. You walk in the street and you stop to the pastry, to the bakery. Just big meringue with hazelnut, and after you eat that on the street and go back home to make your own. Ah, sabotage! We should put a sign don't enter. It's a good memory, this meringue. So for meringue, we need some roasted almond and hazelnut. I'm going to grind them to do little thin powder, okay? So come with me. I recommend to make your own flour, okay? Buy your hazelnut, buy the almond, roasted them. You're gonna get more flavor. If you buy the flour, keep in mind they ground that a long time ago, so the flavor are not the same, okay? So very easy, hazelnut. I put a little bit almond because we're in California, we have a lot of almond. That's the twist. I prefer actually with just hazelnut. But you can do also just with almond. Maybe you can do with walnuts. I mean, like I always say, you know, cooking is not just recipe. You know, take a recipe and put your touch. And as you can see, the hazelnuts are peeled. So, on y va, dans le mixeur. If you go too far, after it's going to be a paste. So be careful. Et voilà, pretty quick. Voilà, see guys, we still have big piece, that's what you want to, because it's going to be some crunchy when you eat the meringue. Bon, we're going to start to do the meringue. So the meringue is based with egg white. So here I have 4 egg white, put in the mixer here. We're going to whip the egg white and add slowly the sugar. Slowly. Well, if you want at home, you can do by hand. It'll take forever, but you have a lot of different ways to do meringue. You have an Italian meringue and you have the French meringue and Swiss meringue. Sometimes people cook the eggs and the sugar together. We're going to do a classic simple meringue, just to whip the egg white and add slowly the sugar. Nobody knows exactly where the recipe of the meringue comes from. It's from Europe, but we don't know if it's France, Switzerland or Italy. But the Alps, you know, the 3 countries together. So the meringue comes from there for sure. And I put the rest of the sugar here, voila, very slowly. They call it meringue, you know why? Because the mountain, with the snow. Actually, I don't know if it's true. I just say that like that, so I don't know if it's true, but it makes sense. Season 8, we cannot have a sign on the door. Season 8.
Sabotage.
So now I'm going to add my cinnamon powder, my little vanilla extract, pinch of salt, and mix it now again. Voila. You know when the meringue is ready, you know how, guys? So you turn like that. It's ready. Now I'm going to fold my hazelnut and almond powder into my egg white. Start with half, and I'm going to fold now, okay? Some people cook the eggs and the sugar in bain-marie and then after whip the egg white. So a lot of different ways how to do the brutti ma bruni. My Italian is much better now. The rest, I mean, I have Italian blood, just so you know. I don't know how much Italian I have in me, a little bit. That's props for that, I love Italian food. You know, Italian food is good. Oh, so much memory for me, just the smell. Oh, that's good. Très bien. And now we're going to put our meringue on the sheet tray. And you can give any shape you want. I'm going to do some big shape like that. Voilà. And now we are going to bake them. I will recommend to really bake them at 300 for a good hour. But you can go faster at 350 for 30 minutes, but you're going to get some more brown color.
Chef, I did it at 300 at 30.
Grace, it's too late now. Grace, don't. We're gonna bake the meringue. Chef Grace, she confused me now. Just cook the meringue, that's it, okay? Come back in 30 minutes. Bon, our meringue are ready now. Perfect, right? Put a little bit of powdered sugar. Ah, so good. Voila, this is our hazelnut almond meringue. Let me try one, guys. So you see what I like? It's crispy outside and moist inside. Love it. And I can see, it's not that difficult to do, huh? Not at all. Okay, guys, don't be scared.